The dresses, y'all. Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Adrianne. So today's video is going to be all of my most recent Amazon fashion finds. A lot of these are jumpers. Y'all know I love a good jumper, but I also have some resort wear and some dresses and graduation looks for you to possibly wear. I'll have everything listed down in the description box along with all of the links. This is going to be super fast to the point, and I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you find anything. Again, you can shop all of my links down below, or you can scan this QR code. It'll take you to my LTK, and also these will all be listed on my Amazon storefront. For reference, quick reference, I am 5'5", I'm about 170 pounds right now. I'm normally a solid size 10, medium, and a large in a lot of things as well because I don't like tight and fitted clothes. But I hope that helps. Let's get started. All right, first up, I'm gonna use my phone here because I already have all these outfits tried on, so I want to talk about them to you guys. So the first up is this khaki jumper. I absolutely love it. It's a one piece. I love how the bottom has the detailing in the legs. It is a jogger style, so this would be perfect to go run errands. It does come in different colors, and the back has that scoopness to it that makes it so cute. I am wearing a size medium. I would definitely wear this to run errands. Comfortable Saturday look. It's just an easy throw on and go everyday outfit, and that's why I love jumpers. You don't have to think about it. I love a set and I love a jumper, so I think you'll like it. Oh, and then also the waist is drawstring, so you can be able to tighten it if you want to as well. So that's also another perk to the outfit. All right, next up is this beautiful blue jumper. I love how versatile it is. You can easily wear it on the shoulders or off the shoulders to get a different style. The pants are nice and flowy, and they're wide leg. And again, with this one, you can be able to tie the drawstring so that it can be more fitted if you want, you know, if you have a small waist. They thought about you in that, so you can just definitely tie it to make it a little bit tighter. I love this color as well. The sleeves are flowy, so you can be able, if you don't like your shoulders out, this jumper is perfect for you. But if you don't mind a sleeveless, then this is for you too. Also, I am 5'5", and you can see where it stops on me, so just keep that in reference. Some of these are exact, and I have a little kitten heel on with this one, and some of these are really long, so just look at the length of it to kind of gauge on how tall you are and if it'll fit or work for you. All right, next up is an all black moment. I am always here for an all black moment. I want to make sure that I styled these with you guys with the glasses and the purse, the accessories, the necklace stack, all of that, so you can see the full look together. I love that this one has the V-neck, again, to show off the necklace stack that I have on in this B-roll here. It is super duper cute. I just feel like a little, like they call it a little black dress, but me, a little black jumper gonna always do me right. Perfect for graduation, date night. I love how silky this one is. It's not that, it's a nice airy material where it's still super breathable. I love that the back has the V-neck as well, and it does tie at the back, so a little extra detailing. So if you had your hair up, it'll show the back detailing of it. It has pockets. It's always a non-negotiable. If a jumper has pockets, it has me, and it's a keeper for me. So this black one is super cute. I just paired it with some red for a pop of color. But if you want to do all black and gold, you can definitely do that. Any of these jumpers you can put on with the belt to elevate the look if you wanted to make it look like a two-piece. You can always do that as well. Okay, next up is comfy. Okay, we're gonna go comfy right now. This brown jumper is so comfortable. It feels like I'm wearing pajamas. I have this in another color. I have it in red and then purple. I have the sleeveless option in purple as well. So cute. Now this one is cropped on me, so if you again are shorter, these will be pants on you. But again, I'm 5'5", and they are cropped on me. I love the scoop neck of it. If you wanted to break it up and wear a belt, you could do that too. This just feels like pajamas, and that is why I got it, and that's why I have it in multiple colors. It's just an easy throw on and go. If I'm going drop the kids off, I'm going to run some errands, going to the grocery store, this is the look that I'm going with. I have this little purse with it as well. The purse reminds me so much of a Louis Vuitton, but not even a fraction. This is like a small piece of the pie of the cost of a Louis Vuitton. These are the two colors that I have in this bag, y'all. I absolutely love it. It comes with the chain detailing, and I also got it in black and white. I got this one last fall, and then I just recently picked up the white and black. It comes in other colors as well, but these two are the ones that stood out to me, and I love them. And also with this brown outfit, I'll just put on these brown jellies. Y'all have the jellies in so many colors. If you're not a jelly girl, I don't know what to tell you, okay? I joined a jelly train last year. I got a pair from Dillard's and I've been hooked. I got the Walmart version, I got the Steve Madden version, I got the Dillard's version. I have them in so many colors and I love them. They're super duper comfortable, easy to go on and throw, and the clear ones just kind of go with everything. So I'm just saying, I have the jellies linked. They're all on my LTK. I've showcased all of my jellies because I wear them and style them in so many different ways. Sticking with comfy, we're gonna go on next to this jumper here. I have this again in multiple colors. I have it in red and white, blue and white, green and white, and this is the newest color that they released. When I saw it online, I was like, immediately add to cart. This purple and blue is beautiful. Every time I wear these, I get compliments on them. They just feel like pajamas. They look put together. You can easily dress them up or dress them down. I just put them on again with my clear jellies because the clear ones go with everything. It does have functional buttons all the way up and down. The material is super stretchy, so you can see how wide I stretch that out. Super stretchy. We love that. If you don't like fitted clothes, tight clothes, you want to be comfortable, definitely put this on and you will be good to go. All right, moving on is this red jumper. Now this one is a little bit more fitted, if you will. If you don't like loose flowy clothes and you like something a little bit more fitted to show your figure off, this jumper is for you. It's still an all-in-one. It does have ruching on the side, so it's super forgiving if you don't like your tummy area or don't like tight clothes around your tummy area. This will be the one for you. I love how it's sleeveless. I love this top part of it. Easy to put on with your necklace stack. Again, I'm 5'5", so they're a little bit shorter than what I would like, but it still works. These are not super wide leg. They're more straight leg, and the best part is that it has pockets. You can easily, again, put on a little belt. You can dress it. You can dress this up as high as you want. Put it on with a blazer and a baseball cap and some shoes. Could be like a comfy chic type of girl. That would be really cute too, but I kept it really simple with these red jelly flats. Talking about the jelly ones. I couldn't button the top part, but it has like a little loophole there, so the back, so you can just button that top part. Super cute. Next up is this yellow jumper. I did find this on TikTok Shop, and anybody who knows me, I love me a good TikTok Shop be getting me, but I have an issue with waiting. Okay, I can be very impatient sometimes, and Amazon Prime just gets it to me faster. So I ended up ordering it off of Amazon, and it was a little bit cheaper as well on Amazon, but it was the same exact brand. If you didn't know, a lot of the Amazon brands are sold on TikTok as well. So if it takes forever, you need it quicker, you can always go to Amazon and find it. And that's why I love me some Amazon. I love some TikTok Shop because they be selling them clothes. They do such a good job of selling them clothes. But anywho, this is this beautiful butter yellow jumper, y'all. It is cropped. I'm usually not a crop girl, but I love how this one goes. It is not see-through. It has functional buttons all the way down, so you have to unbutton it to put it on and unbutton it up to put it back up. It has pockets, 2 pockets in the front, none on the side. I love the piping down the middle, or the stitching, the double stitching down the middle. It kind of gives it like a little more elevated. I think there's a pocket in the back. Oh no, there is a tie, a tie in the back, so if you wanted to cinch your waist, you could do that, or just leave it nice and flowy. I love this. This is definitely like the mom uniform of the spring summer. I love this butter yellow. I have some butter yellow jellies as well, but I didn't pair with that. I put it on with these really cute Steve Madden shoes here. They're kind of like woven material. Just wanted to break it up a little bit so I wouldn't be wearing jellies the whole time, but these are so cute, kind of like a ballet flat, cute and comfortable, and Steve Madden. All right, next up we have a scrunchy ruching type of jumper. This is so cute, y'all. I love how this part is smocked here and then the rest of it is nice and flowy. You can wear this off the shoulder or you can wear it on the shoulder. It has the puffiness on the sleeves, which gives it such really good detailing. This does come in other colors as well, but I wanted a neutral color. I did pair these with those brown Steve Madden shoes. That makes them so cute. You can also do a pop of color if you want to do a red, would be really cute. I am wearing these with my 12 p.m. studio glasses. I brought these and I didn't want to buy them at first because of the price of them, but when I tell you, I am hooked. I want them in the smoke color. They're just such a cute, easy, everyday look. I love these. I will have these linked down below. These are not linkable on LTK, so you have to shop these in my description box down below. Girl, since I got these, I've styled these so many ways, so I think I've already got my cost per wear, and plus my audience has been eating these up. Here I was thinking like, girl, who gonna pay this much for these glasses other than me? Y'all get the hype too, and it's woman owned, black owned. I love them. The next up is this green one shouldered ribbed jumper. This is more of a straight leg as well. Super cute. I think this is great for graduation. It's graduation season. If I had a kid that was graduating from the military, I was gonna be outside, I will be wearing this jumper. I love this. I love it. It is so stretchy, super duper stretchy. It has pleatedness in the front part of it. It has pockets. They're not super wide leg, so if you don't like wide leg, this would be the jumper for you. I personally love a good wide leg moment. I'm not a straight leg or a slim fit. I don't like that on my body type. What I like, but this right here is kind of in between. I will definitely rock this, and I think you will look cute in this too. That teal color just screams so cute. All right, now we're coming up to the dresses, y'all. These dresses right here, oh my gosh, somebody needs to wear this to a resort. Okay, I don't have any resort. Well, I'm going somewhere for my birthday, I just don't know where, but this dress will be packed. This yellow on melanin, my melanin skin is just everything. It comes in so many different colors. It was hard for me to choose which color because I really wanted the green, I wanted the blue, and then I wanted the yellow, but I ended up sticking with the yellow because it is so cute. It has a split in the front. The back is the moment. I'm not a huge fan of my back yet, so I don't know, but this right here definitely hides the rolls in my back. It's the perfect resort captain's dinner on a cruise dinner dress, date night. This is screaming vacation. I love how it has the peekaboo in the front of it too. Baby, this dress is just everything. Okay, this dress, she not going back. She's staying forever. Okay, I will wear her over and over and over and over again. The quality on this is really good. Even though it's yellow, it is definitely not see-through as well. It's not double lined, so keep that in mind. However, but it's so flowy. I love how the back is definitely scrunchy right here above the butt area. So if you got a rump, this will definitely stick to that, so you can still show your curve off if you have one. So that is this dress. This dress is definitely my most favorite out of all of them. I absolutely love it. All right, next up is this blue dress. Now, I own this dress in, I don't know, I think 4 colors. I have it in this floral print that is so cute. Like this has been one of my top sellers on my Amazon storefront at LTK, and I see why. So I had to get it in the blue. I wore it last year to graduation in the pink, and I wanted to get this beautiful sky blue color. This is what I am wearing right now. It has pockets. It has the V. Some of the dresses are double lined. This blue one right here is not double lined, but maybe because the material isn't needed for it because it's not see-through. The pink one that I had was double lined. So just be aware of that. So if you get in the mail, you're like, hey, why was hers double lined and mine is not? Because some of the colors are and some of the colors are not double lined, but they're all still made. The back is really nice and stretchy. It has the crisscross back. I love where it hits on me. You can wear these easily with some flats. You can wear it with some heels to dress it up. Either way I go, this dress has been viral for the past, I think, 3 summers because it deserves a viral moment, and I'm happy with it. I love it. Next up is this color blocked dress, this stripe. I love that it has the royal blue at the bottom. It has pockets, perfect for going running errands, perfect for travel. I brought it for when we travel, whenever we were traveling on our cruise for the travel day, because I don't like tight clothes. I like light and flowy clothes, and this dress just did it for me. This brand off of Amazon is really good. I continue to purchase from them over and over again because it's just so good. So I absolutely love it. It comes in other colors as well. I just like this purple and gray with the pop of color of blue on the bottom. I love a good long maxi dress, and this dress just does it for me. All right, and last but not least, I'm going out with a basic banger. I love this red dress. Again, I brought this for the cruise. I did not wear it, but I did buy it for the cruise, and of course I'm keeping it because I love a good maxi dress. If you don't like anything tight, want to just throw on something and go, you can definitely put it on with tennis shoes. You can wear it with flats. You can even wear it with heels. I've dressed up these maxi dresses before with a belt and a blazer and heels, and it looks so cute. I love how stretchy it is. It's just one of those easy throw on and go. It comes in other colors as well, so you don't, if red isn't your color, you don't have to wear red. You have plenty of options to wear this with. Either way go, girl, you're gonna be cute. You're gonna be cute and comfortable, and that's always a good thing. All right, that sums up this Amazon fashion finds. I hope you guys found this pretty interesting, and I hope you like everything that you see because I love it, and I think you will look so cute in it. I'm here to give you outfit inspirations. for you to recreate so you can look really, really cute as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel. On your way out, you can shop all of my links by scanning this QR code here. It'll take you to my LTK, or you can shop my Amazon storefront, which is always listed down below in the description box. All my sizing reference and all of that was told to you guys on the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will check you guys out in my next video. Mwah. Bye.